was down in Ringsend, but the honour of Ireland to uphold and defend. He had no veteran soldiers but volunteers raw, playing sweet modern music for Aaron Gubberlaw. For Kent and his comrades like lions that day, on the south double in Union for death and dismay. But what was that of when the invaders then saw all the dead Carty soldiers on Aaron Gubberlaw? A great foreign captain was raving that day, saying, "Give me 1 hour and they blow you away." But a big mother bullet got stuck in his jaw, and he died of lead poison on Aaron Gubberlaw. A glory to Dublin, to her due renown. In the long generations her fame will go down, and the children will tell how their forefathers saw the red blaze of freedom o'er Aaron Gubberlaw.